what's up? So I'm actually pretty late. I just want to create some content today, and yesterday I was just thinking that maybe, I could do red brows today. I've always wanted to do colored brows, and yeah, the last time I tried it, I'm gonna try to look for a picture. I did I think I did I just used concealer, and it was good but not that great. And then I used orange, and I didn't quite like that either. But at that time I thought it was good, but now it's like so we're gonna try doing it again, but this time we're gonna do a red brows. I did do a test run this morning just so I don't mess up while doing making the video. And yeah, Miss Flo decided to leave me with these bumps on my face. So annoying. I got bump, bump, and I got bumpity bump. So yeah, if she was a person, we would fight. Anywho, yeah, so let's get started. First off, I'm gonna start with my brows, of course. And I'm gonna be using this Got2b glue to gel my brows. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go with concealer look today, because I'm kind of in a hurry and I don't feel like doing a lot of makeup. The main point of this whole look is just the brows, so I don't want to go full on with the rest of the makeup. So I'm just gonna go with concealer, maybe just a little bit of foundation. We'll see how I'm feeling. Okay. Oh yeah, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also turn the notification bell to alert you when I do post a video. Thank you so much, and follow me on my social medias. The links are down below. Mwah. Okay. So now that the brows is done, I'm gonna go in with my InStyle matte lipstick. No, my Top Face InStyle matte lipstick. Okay, because I watched a few videos yesterday and I saw people actually using this, so yeah. Let's trust the process, guys. Okay, so let's clean this up a bit. Just gonna go in with a little bit of red eyeshadow. Maybe this is gonna help a little bit. It's doing something. I like it. It's different. It's gonna take a little bit of time, like a minute or so to get used to, but yeah, it's good. I like it. And it's huge because like my brows are like really, really bushy, so I just had to like fill them out. And okay, let's start the rest of my makeup. So I'm going in with my Pro Base Concealer. Just covering up all the dark spots, blemishes, discoloration, and whatnot. Almost poked my eye. That's a lot of discoloration. Okay. I just thought of something. There's a drama that I've been watching recently, a Korean drama, and I feel like one character that I like would actually like get killed off. Oh no. Korean drama always does this to me. Every like just on era Korean dramas, like I always get scared because they most of the time they kill off characters that I like. Oh, he's such a cutie pie. I hope he doesn't die though. If it's his brother, then I'm fine with that. But the name of the drama is Our Blooming Youth. So Park Hyung-sik oppa is in it, and he's the crown prince. Okay, let's continue. So I was supposed to apply my concealer first on my, eyelids before applying it to every other place. But we can just do it now. I haven't washed my beauty blender this week, so I'm gonna wash it today. Okay, I get distracted a lot. I'm gonna try shaping it. Ba-bam, bam, bam, bam. Ba-da-beep-bop. Poop, poop. Just gonna mix it. Good. Oh, it's actually way better now. I'm gonna do it for the other one. I feel like I've been doing eyeliners a lot lately. Should I not? I don't feel like it, but maybe I'm gonna just do it. Okay. Nope. I would have done it, but I just remembered that I actually put my concealer on my face already. I was supposed to do that before, so I'm just gonna go with like, a color of my choice here. Maybe I'll go with brown or this color here. Let's go with this one. I'm like way behind schedule today. And today I'm actually stepping out of my comfort zone, which is literally in this building. I am going out to take some pictures, you know, create some content. And it's not actually my fault. I would have done this a long time ago, but it's literally like raining almost every day here. But today is quite sunny, so I'm just gonna go out and do that. And take good pictures. I did find like some locations nearby, so I'm just gonna go there and try not to mind when people are staring at me. And I've been watching some videos like of like fashion influencers. When they go out to create content, they always carry a pepper spray, you know, stranger danger and stuff like that. But I don't really have pepper spray right now, but I did get like a watch, I think an alarm watch or something like that. They were sharing it at my school, giving it to girls, you know, so they can just like blast it off when they're in danger. I know it gets really loud. It's like a fire alarm. What do you call it? A fire alarm or fire or something? I'm 10. Mine just actually rang like a few minutes ago. I don't know why. I need to shut that down because it's so annoying. I would just be like, it has happened 3 times now since I moved here. Like twice. No, the first time I was sleeping and then it just started boom, 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 boom. And the second time I was just resting and then boom, boom, boom. And now I was literally just like putting on my wig and just went boom, boom, boom. And I have to use like a towel or a blanket on my jacket to like cover it to reduce the noise. And the last place that I was literally able to like disconnect it. But now I don't really know. I might just ask my neighbor because mine is the only one that goes off. I do not do anything. I don't cook in my room. I don't smoke. I don't do anything. And yet it just keeps blasting off in my ear. It's so annoying. Anywho, yeah, is it? I'm gonna start applying my bronzer now. Everything is literally out of order today. I don't know if it's because I woke up early, but I didn't start preparing early. Maybe that's why. Just a little bit of bronzer, nothing serious. And I'm using an eyeshadow palette because I don't have the budget to actually like buy a bronzer yet. And besides, this really works for me right now. I am on a budget right now, okay? So I gotta use what I have until I actually get, you know, the money to get the things I need to to get. It's not bad, guys. Use what you got. And now the blush. Okay, wait. Maybe I was just reshaping my nose just a little bit. You know, I don't know. Maybe I recently started doing this, like putting it way up here. It does define your nose a little bit, you know? I am a self-proclaimed makeup artist. I'm not bad, but I'm not great either. But, you know, it is what it is. I think that place is a little bit too dark. Now I'm just gonna go in with the blush on my cheeks and my nose bridge. You're making me blush. And now a highlighter on my cheekbones and my nose and my upper lip. And also right here, I think call this part the eyebrow bridge. I'm not really sure. So yeah, I went ahead to do the rest of my makeup off camera. And this is a lip combo that I went with. I wanted to go with red, but I just felt like it would be too much for the look that I'm actually going for. And then I applied my mascara, and yeah, this is it. Why is it going dull? What else did I do? Oh yeah, and I applied a highlighter just at the tip of my eye, I guess. Okay. And this is the final look. I'm all dressed up. Okay, I didn't expect to like it this much, but I did. And maybe I might do, you know, more colors. If you want some more, just let me know. Okay, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. And yeah, I really hope that you liked it. Please let me know your thoughts on this video and the makeup in the comments below. And also follow me on my other social medias, Instagram, TikToks, and shop my outfit on LTK, and also Pinterest. I just joined Pinterest, kind of. Okay, so yeah, go follow me. All the links are down below. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you real soon. Mwah. Yeah, so this is the watch that I was talking about, the alarm one, stranger danger alarm. I love it so much. I feel like Ben 10. Fighting heroes from Earth or space. He'll never stop to the cause he's the fastest kid to ever save that day. Ben 10. It's actually so stylish. There was one that was like the whistle, but I chose this one because it's much more comfortable and I love it. Okay, I found the perfect place to take pictures. Now I just have to begin. I can do this. Okay.